Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Travel Partner Official, your guide to unforgettable adventures around the globe. Today, we're whisking you away to Ghent, Belgium, a captivating city that effortlessly blends medieval grandeur with a youthful, contemporary spirit. Before we dive into the heart of Ghent, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming travel tips and inspiration. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single moment of the magic we're about to uncover together. Get ready to wander through cobblestone streets, marvel at architectural masterpieces, and soak up the infectious energy of this Belgian gem. Let's go! Our Ghent adventure begins at the magnificent Gravensteen castle. This imposing fortress has stood as a silent sentinel since the 12th century. Imagine the stories these ancient walls could tell. As you cross the drawbridge, you'll feel history come alive. Picture knights patrolling the ramparts and noble families in the grand halls. Climb the winding staircases for panoramic views of Ghent. Trace the city's medieval layout from this vantage point. Explore the castle's interior, including the chilling torture chamber. Next, we're heading to Ghent's iconic waterfront, the Graslei and Korenlei. These two quays, stretching along opposite banks of the Leie River, form the heart and soul of the city. Prepare to be captivated by the mesmerizing reflections of the guild halls, each facade more ornate and colorful than the last. These architectural gems, dating back to the Middle Ages, stand as testaments to Ghent's prosperous past as a major trading hub. Take your time as you stroll along the quays, soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. Stop to admire the intricate details of the buildings, watch the boats gently glide by, or simply relax at a sidewalk cafe and soak up the scenery. Whether you visit during the day or under the glow of the evening lights, the Graslei and Korenlei are sure to leave a lasting impression. No visit to Ghent is complete without seeing St. Bavo's Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece showcases the city's rich religious heritage. Inside, the grandeur and serene atmosphere are mesmerizing. The highlight is the Ghent altarpiece, a 15th century masterpiece. It's an unforgettable experience. Get ready to step back in time as we venture into Patershol, Ghent's oldest and most charming medieval quarter. This labyrinthine neighborhood, with its narrow cobblestone streets, hidden courtyards, and well-preserved houses, offers a captivating glimpse into Ghent's past. As you wander through the maze-like alleys, imagine the sights, sounds, and smells of life centuries ago. Picture merchants hawking their wares, children playing in the streets, and the rhythmic clang of a blacksmith's hammer. Keep an eye out for the charming details that make Patershol so special, from the colorful flower boxes adorning the windows to the quaint little cafes tucked away on side streets. Be sure to come hungry, as Patershol is also a culinary haven. Treat yourself to a traditional Flemish meal at one of the many cozy restaurants and savor the flavors of Ghent. Art enthusiasts, rejoice! Our next stop takes us to the Museum of Fine Arts, MSK, home to an impressive collection of art spanning from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. Step inside and embark on a journey through time as you admire masterpieces by Flemish masters, including Hieronymus Bosch, Peter Paul Rubens, and James Ensor. Their evocative brushstrokes and timeless themes continue to captivate art lovers from around the globe. Don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in the museum's collection of modern and contemporary art. From Expressionism to Surrealism, the MSK showcases a diverse range of artistic movements that have shaped the art world. Afterward, take a moment to relax in the museum's tranquil courtyard garden, a hidden gem where you can reflect on the beauty you've just witnessed. Prepare to be inspired at the Design Museum Ghent, a hub of creativity and innovation. This cutting-edge museum showcases the evolution of design from the 18th century to the present day. Step inside and be greeted by a captivating world of furniture, graphic design, and industrial design. You'll discover how design has shaped our lives, from the everyday objects we use to the buildings we inhabit. The Design Museum. Ghent is not just about admiring objects behind glass, it's an interactive experience. You'll have the chance to get hands-on with exhibits, explore the design process, and even try your hand at creating your own designs. Whether you're a design aficionado or simply appreciate creativity and innovation, the Design Museum Ghent is sure to spark your imagination. Ready to experience Ghent from a whole new perspective? Then hop aboard a boat tour and set sail along the enchanting Leie River. As you glide through the waterways, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the city's most iconic landmarks. Admire the majestic Gravensteen castle from a distance, marvel at the architectural splendor of the Graslei, and appreciate the intricate details of the city's many bridges. The gentle rocking of the boat and the tranquil atmosphere create a sense of serenity as you drift along the river. It's the perfect way to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and soak up the beauty of Ghent at a leisurely pace. Be sure to bring your camera to capture the picturesque views and create memories that will last a lifetime. For unparalleled views of Ghent, a climb to the top of the Belfry is a must. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has symbolized Ghent's independence for centuries. As you ascend, appreciate the Belfry's rich history. At the top, enjoy breathtaking views of Ghent. See the city spread out with its charming rooftops and canals. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you descend. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Ghent at the Vrijdagmarkt, the city's bustling market square. This historic square, once a site for tournaments and executions, is now a lively hub of activity, filled with locals and tourists alike. On Fridays, the square transforms into a bustling flower market, with vendors selling colorful blooms and fragrant plants. It's a feast for the senses and a great place to pick up a unique souvenir. Throughout the week, the Vrijdagmarkt is lined with cafes, restaurants, and bars, making it the perfect spot to relax, people watch, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Be sure to try a Belgian waffle or some fresh frites from one of the many food stalls. A true taste of Ghent. Journey through the captivating history of Ghent at the STAM Ghent City Museum. This innovative museum tells the story of the city's evolution from its medieval roots to the modern metropolis it is today. Step inside and be transported back in time as you explore interactive exhibits, multimedia displays, and fascinating artifacts. You'll discover how Ghent's strategic location on the confluence of the Leie and Scheldt rivers shaped its destiny. Don't miss the museum's impressive scale model of Ghent, which provides a unique perspective on the city's layout and architectural landmarks. Afterward, take a stroll through the museum's peaceful Abbey Garden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Escape the urban hustle and bustle at Citadel Park, a green oasis in the heart of Ghent. This expansive park, built on the site of a former citadel, offers a welcome respite from the city's energy. Stroll along the tree-lined paths, admire the colorful flower beds, or simply relax by the serene pond and watch the ducks glide by. It's the perfect place to escape for a picnic lunch, enjoy a leisurely bike ride, or simply soak up the tranquility. For families traveling with children, Citadel Park also features a playground, making it a great spot for kids to burn off some energy. Whether you're seeking a moment of peace and quiet or an active afternoon outdoors, Citadel Park has something to offer everyone. As the sun begins to set, Ghent's nightlife comes alive, especially in the vibrant Overpoort area. This student-centric neighborhood is packed with bars, pubs, and clubs, offering a diverse range of options for a memorable night out. Whether you're in the mood for a craft beer tasting, live music, or simply want to dance the night away, the Overpoort has something to suit every taste. The atmosphere is electric, with students and locals alike spilling out onto the streets, creating a lively and social vibe. Remember to pace yourself, as the Belgians are known for their love of good beer and good times. And there you have it, 12 must-see spots that showcase the very best of Ghent. From medieval castles and architectural wonders to world-class museums and vibrant nightlife, Ghent has something to captivate every type of traveler. If you enjoyed this virtual journey through Ghent, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite spots in Ghent in the comments below. Happy travels!